Stop. However you're sitting right now, that position is stealing years from your body, and I can prove it in the next 5 minutes. Look, I'm sure you've heard 1,000 times that posture matters, but what nobody's told you is that after just 20 minutes of slouching, your spine starts molding itself into that hunched posture permanently. And it's not just your back. It's your mood, your energy, why you can't sleep, why you look older in photos, and why you feel like you can't keep up anymore. I'm going to show you exactly what's happening and a quick posture reset to stop it without even leaving your chair. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and let's talk about what sitting is doing to you right now. Not in the future, but over the next 20 minutes. If you're hunched forward watching this, and chances are you are, your head is shifted forward, shoulders and mid-back are rounded and hunched, and your lower back is flattened. You might think, yeah, I know my posture's bad, so what? But here's what nobody tells you. After just 20 minutes in that position, your spine starts adapting. Your joints get squeezed wrong, your discs compress unevenly, and your muscles and ligaments literally learn to hold you hunched over, even when you stand up. That's why people tell me, I don't know what happened. I didn't hurt myself. I just woke up one day with this pain. You didn't have to do anything dramatic. Sitting poorly for weeks, months, and years is enough. Now get this, your posture isn't just giving you back pain. It's actually changing your mood and confidence. Here's what some scientists did. They put people in a bad mood, then split them into two groups. One sat up straight and one slouched forward. The upright group bounced back fast. Fewer negative thoughts, they moved on. The slouch group stayed miserable way longer. They kept replaying their negative thoughts and they couldn't shake it. You see, your body and brain are in constant communication. There's a constant conversation going on. When you're hunched over, your body tells your brain, we're defeated, we're exhausted, we can't handle this. And your brain believes it. So if you've been feeling drained all the time, like you're not the person you used to be, your posture might be feeding that. Maybe you used to do things without thinking. Now everything feels harder. And people say, well, it's just part of getting older. No, it's what happens when your spine sits wrong for decades and nobody showed you how to stop it. But you can interrupt this. Every 20 to 30 minutes, take a mini break. Just 1 to 2 minutes, stand, stretch, walk. This stops your spine from permanently molding into that hunched position. You're bringing blood flow back to your discs and your muscles. You're telling your body, we're not staying like this. Small actions now prevent big, painful problems later. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, what if I can't get up every 20 minutes? What if I'm stuck in meetings or I'm driving or at my desk? So here's something you can do while sitting down. It takes 10 seconds. It's called Brugger's relief position, and it's great for both physical and mental stress relief. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to sit at the edge of your chair. So scoot forward so your butt is right on the edge and you're not using the backrest for support. I want you to spread your legs slightly apart and turn your toes outward just a little bit. Go ahead and relax your belly. Gently arch your lower back so your pelvis tilts forward. So this allows your abdominal muscles to relax while lifting your chest upward. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides, and then I want you to rotate them outward so your palms are facing up and thumbs are pointed slightly backwards. Hold your head high, keeping a gentle arch in your neck. It's like you're trying to grow an inch taller. I want you to hold that position for just 10 seconds, breathing deep and just relaxing. And after that 10 seconds, you can relax your body and you can do that again 1 or 2 more times, or just stick with the 1 rep and do this Brugger's relief position every 20 to 30 minutes. Taking care of your posture and spine, it's not just about avoiding back pain. It's about getting down on the floor and getting back up without wincing. It's about not making excuses when your family asks you to do something active. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing someone who stands tall and looks capable, not someone who's shrinking and hunched over. You deserve to feel strong and confident, not trapped in a body that's failing you. And if you want to go deeper into how your spine and posture are affecting your overall health, go ahead and click the first link in the description and you can book a virtual house call with me and we can figure out how to fix your spine and posture for good, not just manage symptoms. And we can work together no matter where you are in the world, because taking care of your spine is crucial. It's the only one you got, so let's take care of it, and you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.